Are you tired of having a girlfriend? Do you spend too much time outside? Did you try to follow my uninstalling video but couldn't work out how to install Osu in the first place? Well, today is your lucky day because I have the video for you. My name's Ranjit Plays and I'm going to show you how to install Osu. Step 1 of installing Osu is visiting the download page. The links are of course in the description, or if you prefer pain, you can type it in yourself. There's the link. Click here to download it if you use Windows. If you don't use Windows, then I'm very sorry because I can't be bothered to make a tutorial for you. Once it's finished downloading, click on the file to open it and it will start downloading other stuff. It'll open Osu by itself once it's finished. Don't worry when this message pops up, it probably just wants all your bank details or something, so go ahead and press yes. Osu thinks it's funny to deafen you the first time you open it, so hold down the Alt key and scroll down on your mouse wheel to lower the volume. So there you go guys, Osu is now installed. Now you can make an account and sign in, or you can follow my tutorial on how to uninstall it.